What's up guys, my name's Caleb. Welcome back to Impeccable Image Detailing. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing so you don't miss upcoming content. Today's video is going to be a little bit different, not quite as long and in-depth as it normally would be, but behind me I have this 2017 Alfa Romeo, and it's in for an interior, exterior, and gloss enhancement package, and then I'm going to be applying a ceramic coating to it. And it's a new coating that I'm testing out. It's actually one that I've already been using, but this is a revised and updated formulation. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started and then I'll bring it back around when it's time to apply the ceramic coating. Alright guys, I'm back. I ended up going a little bit more in depth than I thought I would with some of the footage, but that's okay. It is now time to coat the vehicle, and if you look to the left over in this area here, you can see some of this haze. That is actually the universal clean and prep. It's the primer it leaves behind for the coating, and the coating that I'm testing out is this one right here, Everlasting Showstopper X from detailjuice.com, and this has SiC, which is silicon carbide. And basically what Gary did is increase the durability and protection of this product. So that is what I'm going to be applying. All right, so there's two different ways that I could apply this coating. The first is I could spray it on the car. The second is I could apply it by hand. I'm going to apply it by hand. They call for a foam applicator. I don't have one. I have a microfiber applicator, which I've used before. I'm just going to use more product. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my pad, and that is plenty. A little bit of this goes a long way. Stupid fly. All right, so now I'm just going to apply it to half the hood at a time, and then I'm going to immediately wipe it off. And if there's any smearing, that's fine. It'll self-level once it starts to tack up. And one thing I really like about this coating is just how slick it is. It is probably the slickest coating I've ever used. So now the side's looking good, it's perfect. Now I'm going to do this side over here. And after I get the hood all done, I'm going to work my way around the rest of the car. right, guys, the Alfa Romeo is done, and as you can see, this thing is on freaking point. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and I'll catch you on the next video.